Hello everyone, I'm Leanne from Paldi Solutions, and today I'm going to show you how to use our dashboard sharing utility. You can use this to share a complete dashboard folders with users and user groups. There is an option to add the specific shares that you want or the existing shares. If the dashboard is already shared with other users, you can just add one, or you can completely overwrite the existing share. So now I'm going to have a look at the existing shares for this dashboard. You can see I have the demo designer group and the demo viewer groups. So now I'm going to use this checkbox to select the whole filters folder and two other dashboards from different folders. And as you can see, I have the share button there. I'm going to add my own user as a designer to these dashboards. And here you can see the toggle button to select if I want to override or add the share. Now I'm going to check the shares again. I'm expecting to see the shares that we've seen before, just adding my own user. There we go. Now I'm going to remove this my user that I just added, but I'm going to do it in the other way with overriding the existing shares. So I'm adding the viewer user group and the designers user group. And I'm just not going to add my user, and I'm just going to override these shares, basically removing my own user. Okay, so now you can see my user is no longer there. I have basically overridden the shares, and that's it. Now you know how to add and override shares for multiple dashboards at the same time with the dashboard sharing utility button.